In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create kids story videos using Canva and AI. So see you soon on the other side. So step one, we need a story to work with. And for this step, we are going to be using Chatgpt. Like you can see, I'm already on the Chatgpt interface. So I'm going to give Chatgpt a prompt that asks it to give us stories that we are going to be working with, okay? Our prompt says, generate for me 5 kids story ideas. So we are just going to go ahead and run that to see the results that we are going to get. And those are the very exact ones that we are going to choose from. So we only need one, okay? So like you can see, right now ChatGPT is doing its own thing. The first one we have Milo and the moon button. Then we have the fluffy bakery in the clouds. We have Penny and the pocket-sized zoo. We have Captain Sprout and Garden Pirates. Then lastly, we have Bubbles and the Lost Laugh. So you're going to go through these carefully, and then once you are ready to move ahead, you will choose one particular one to work with, like I said earlier on. Let me do that really quick. Out of the 5, I like Bubbles and the Lost Laugh more. So let's go through it together. So the theme is kindness and emotions. A story idea. Bubbles the dolphin wakes up one morning and realizes her laugh is gone. She swims through the ocean asking friends like Krabby the crab and Jelly the jellyfish to help her find it. In the end, she discovers her laugh comes back when she helps others smile. So a lesson in the story is happiness grows when you share it. And down here, like you can see, the last message from ChatGPT says, would you like me to make text to image and image to video prompts for one of these stories next, like we did for your previous animations? So it's saying this because normally when I do my animation stories over here, I usually ask for text to image and image to video prompts. So you will consider that when you're writing your own prompt in the next generation. Okay. So let's go ahead and we tell it yes. So the prompt says yes for idea number 5, and I've already run it. Also, if you want to add a voiceover or a narrator to your story, you can do that by including it in the prompt. Okay, and you'll be able to generate the voiceover using tools like 11 Labs. So all you have to do is copy that text and then you go paste it in 11 Labs. Then you'll be able to generate a text to video option. You'll have a video and sorry, an audio option, okay, for your story. But we are going to be skipping this part in today's video. Reason being, we are only going to be creating like short stories, for example, like Instagram, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and those work well with the music in the platform you've chosen, okay? So you can upload these using music so that they run really well and you get more views. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. Now that ChatGPT has provided us with both a text to image prompt and image to video prompt, we are going to go ahead and we start generating images for our story. For this step, we are going to be using a new tool which is known as Google Gemini. So Google Gemini has its latest tool known as Nano Banana. You can access it while once you click on this option of tools, you'll see it over here. So all you have to do is to click on that option just like that. And then you're going to go ahead and start generating the images, okay? So you just have to go back and forth, collect the text to image prompt for that particular scene. Then you paste it into Nano Banana, okay? So click on copy, come back to Gemini and paste it over here, okay? Then you're going to go ahead and click on this option of submit to see the results that you get. Okay, guys, like you can see, our image for Bubbles, the dolphin, is ready and he looks so cute. So what I encourage you to do here is to click on this download button so that you can have other details of this image for later use, because we are going to be introducing new characters to our story. Okay, so all you have to do is to go back to ChatGPT, then you're going to find the second prompt, read through it, and you see how many characters you have, and make sure if bubble is included in this prompt or not. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and highlight this just like this. Click on copy, come back to Google Gemini, paste it over here just like this. So Bubble is there. I'm going to go ahead and attach his image over here. This is why I told you guys that it's very, very important for you to go ahead and, save the details for your image, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and upload him. Then I'm going to add, maintain Bubble, the dolphin, appearance, consistent, okay? As attached in the image above, okay? So we are going to go ahead and we click on submit to see the results that we are going to get. Okay, our results are now ready. Like you can see, before we only had the dolphin, but now Mr. Crab, who is red, is added over here with his sunglasses. That was his description. So let's click on the image so that you can view it really well, okay? We can also go back to the first image to make sure that Mr. Crab was not there. You see, this image did not have Mr. Crab. So the technique to having, the same images is to download the characters that you want to be consistent in the next image. Then you upload the image over here, just in case you're going to introduce another character. So you make sure that you tell this tool to leave those characters consistent, okay? It's very important to know the names of your characters and what exactly you are working with, like I did in this prompt over here. Okay, if you remember, I just said maintain Bubble the dolphin appearance consistent as attached in the image above. That's the technique you need for all your generations. Okay. Now, once we are done over here, all we have to do is to download our images. We are not going to be creating all images for the story. So we are going to go ahead and download the images. I already downloaded the first image, so I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for the second image over here. Then I'm going to save it on my device. And what we'll be doing next is to turn these images into videos for free. Turn our images into videos, we are going to be using Grok AI, and this is what it looks like. You can access it via grok.com, and all you have to do is to put your prompt over here, then you attach your image, okay? So let's go ahead and get the prompt for image to video for the first scene. Just copy it just like this, copy. Come back to Grok over here, paste the prompt over here, just like this. Then you're going to go ahead and attach your image. So if you attach the image first, Grok is going to immediately imagine the video for you before you even attach the prompt. But that shouldn't worry you. If it happens, you can always edit it later on, like you're going to see. So let me go ahead and upload our image really quick. Then after that, all we have to do is we are going to go ahead and click on this option of submit to run the prompt. Currently, it's still uploading, so I'm just going to give that time. Okay. Okay, now it's in the process. Like you can see, we are just going to wait for it until it's on 100, and we see how the video has turned out like. So guys, that's how our video turned out like, and I think Grok did an amazing job. So if you didn't put the prompt in the beginning, or if you'd like to make a few changes to the video, all you have to do is to input your new prompt down here, and then you'll click on this option of make a video. Then Grok will make for you a new video based on the new prompt that you've input, okay? So let's go ahead and create the video for our next image. You're going to click over here just like that, and you're going to repeat the process, okay? So you're going to go back to Chatgpt, and then you are going to collect the next image to video prompt, which is this over here. So I'm just going to highlight it over here just like this, click on copy, come back to Grok and paste it over here, okay? Just like this. And then I'm going to attach the new image that we are going to be working with. Okay, it's the same process, guys. This is all you had to do for all the other images that you have for your story, and it will automatically run it for you afterwards. And now our video is ready, so I'm just going to go ahead and we'll play it to see how it turned out like. And what's interesting about Grok is that it provides the sound effects as well, so you don't have to go ahead finding sound effects on different platforms. So it comes with the sound effect of the video. So let's play it as well to see how it turned out like. Okay, that turned out well as well. So all you have to do is to click on download. You download each one by one. Then what you're going to do next is to go to any of your favorite video editor and you assemble them or align them one by one to turn them into one story. Then they'll be ready to upload on any platform where you're planning to share your stories. So guys, with all that being said, this brings us to the end of today's video. If you found value in this video, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. Thank you very much, guys, and see you in my next one. Bye.